Hello, my crochet friends. Granny Square Friday is back and we are in episode number 3 already. This is it. So, if you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Happy to have you here. I'm Sandra, the crochet designer behind Sandra Stitches, and you are here for some crochet goodness. So, this is a series where I crochet a granny square every 2 weeks here in the channel with you. And you know what? We do not have a plan what to do with them. We will just think about it as it goes. So, this week I wasn't so sure about the colors combinations because I wanted to make this granny square. I found this on Pinterest. Now, if you scroll Pinterest these days, it's crazy because there is so much AI and so much fake things that it's incredible to find something really good. But I also, when I found this image of the granny square with the graph, I could not find who is it by. Because I want to give credit, right? But I couldn't find who designed this granny square, or if it's from a book, or I don't know. So because it's out and open on Pinterest, I'm putting the picture here, the image here that has the finished product and the graph. I just followed that graph and it came out amazing. Look, really nice. So here it is, as I showed you in the beginning. What can I say? Some color combinations only make sense at the end of it, right? We don't have to be afraid of trying different colors, even if we think at the beginning that they might not go well together. But just be creative and let the color combination guide you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are going to join us for this series and making granny squares every Friday, every 2 weeks on Friday. And I will meet you with the next one. Let's get to granny squares. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're working the granny squares, please show them in the comments so we can all enjoy and celebrate you. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.